Hey guys, thank you for joining me here at Just Be Handy. Hey, I just wanted to share with you the oil analysis report on the CVT oil that I took out of the Subaru Outback with 57,000 miles. As you can see, there is high levels of iron, copper, and a little bit of aluminum, but then you notice the silicone is very high. Uh, there was a lot of gasket material that came out with the oil drain, and I'll show you that at the end of this video. But I wanted to highlight how important it is to really change out the CVT fluid here. This is first drain and fill that I've done on my vehicle, and I waited till 57,000 miles. And hopefully this will help you decide if you want to do this or not. It's totally up to you. I'd love to hear your comments. And now I will show you what I have found in the oil itself after filtering it out. Alright guys, this is what I found at the bottom after everything drained. There is a little bit of gasket material here. There is one or two little metal shavings. This is more gasket material. But actually it looks fairly clean, so they do a good job of cleaning these transmissions, other than a little bit of gasket material that I'm seeing. So 57,000 miles, this is the first drain and fill, and everything is looking good.